Hello, sir. So, one vivid memory of IIT days.
Well, IIT, first of all, as I was saying when I was standing at the dais along with you, I think the biggest problem for me that time was the English language. I was a very good student of English. I got very good marks. In fact, I topped Punjab. But speaking English was not my cup of tea. So when we went there, suddenly everything had changed. What we used to call soda bottle, it became Coke. Yeah. So what we used to say, one man, one boy, that became a guy. You know.
Yes.
So everything had changed. The jargon was different because people were coming from various, schools, and you were competing with the best from all around India. So that language was an issue, but it was just question of 1 year, and we picked up all those jargons. The inferiority complex vanished, and rest was performance. So, and I was lucky to go on, and I always believe that the wild card of destiny, that is something which you cannot wish away. You can do what you like. You must. But one thing we learned in IIT was, as somebody during the talk also said at the stage, that there we are taught fundamentals.
Yes.
And we used to be given open books, one full week. Seniors, juniors, all are working on that homework. We don't know what is the solution. Then you come back and your teacher, all teachers were great. He will say, why don't you approach it this way? In 3 minutes you have solved it. So that means there's a solution to everything. There's no problem in the world you cannot solve. And then slowly rising the ladder, and God was kind, and good family, and full support, friends. And I must give it to the Navy in addition to the IITs. IITs made the fundamentals. Navy made a real human being, good citizen, who could sit with the President of India or Queen of England and do a 7-course dinner, and also sit along with a beggar and share the meal with him. So that kind of broad spectrum. You could be in the air, you could be firing missiles. At the same time, you are 240 meters below the sea in the submarine. So all these things, you could be I spent 3 years in Russia, 3 years in Korea, learned the languages, became part of them, got honorary citizenship of Korean, that city of Masan. So these are all plus points.
So, any one message you want to pass to the new generation, especially who plan, like people say they plan for IIT and they go into management consulting?
IIT is a good challenge. You see, in our time, perhaps we don't even know we are going to IIT, to be honest. We went to engineering college.
Right.
We didn't know.
Yes,
what
that
it
time it wasn't a brand.
Yeah, brand was not yet made. In fact, I still remember Professor Luthra. When we told him, sir, now what next? He says, you will come to know sun after 10 years. This brand is coming up. So that was it. But to message you want for the youngsters, if you get a chance, at least go for that IIT. Go for the admission. If you don't make it, don't worry. That's a minor issue. Because by preparing for that, you are preparing for the world. Because you are cracking all kinds of problems every day. The famous word used by all our professors was ab initio. From start from the fundamentals, start with the basic equation, and go press on regardless, step by step. You will not fail.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time and for this inspiring journey.
God bless.
Thank you.